Hey guys, welcome back to the series, and this is the video. We are continuing with the Material UI form. So we are integrating Material UI in React, and this is something we have already created. We have added these two text fields, okay, name and surname. So next we can add autocomplete in this form, and that might be for a use of. Let's see how we can use it. But first, let me just show you how to add it. Okay. Yeah, so simply again you have to go to Material UI site. I'll just show you again. So just type mui.com. Okay, here get started. Okay, and in the components, you can open the components, and first option you will see is the autocomplete. It's just alphabetically arranged. All right, and here if you can see, we have a quick demo here. Okay, like this is something we can do. Autocomplete means what? We can search something. So let's say if I type see, so it will suggest and it will show, and we can select like that. We can clear also. Okay, see, it will just show, and we have to, so it is just auto completing the stuff. All right, now how to use this in our code? You have to just click on this, show the full source. If you hover here, you'll see that option. If you click on this, you'll see the full code. Okay, simply you have to copy this and paste it in our code. How to do that? We can add it in this user form which we have already created, but um, it's better if we can, because this code is very used, right? So just to not mess up with the original code, we'll create a different subcomponent. Okay, and we will just import that here in our code of user form. Okay, all right, so I have already created this subcomponent folder. There I'll just add one file which is autocomplete mui.js, and here I'll just paste this code, okay, which we have copied from Material UI site, from this site, yeah, this from here, and we'll go back, and what we'll do, we'll just import this in our code. So import, you can name this file as whatever you want, autocomplete from subcomponents. Just give that path, and just below this we'll add that. Okay, see, we have this autocomplete. Now this is something we are adding for, uh, let's say we don't want it for movie, we want it for department. We want to see which department that user belongs to. So this is a label where I've just changed it. If you go back, see, there I've got this department. Okay, now I want to change the menus. So what I'll do, if you can just observe the code first, let's understand the code first. So if autocomplete is something MUI material UI gives. Okay, now in that there are different things. So options means what? These options, the list which we are seeing. Okay, so you have to provide values to that. So here what they have done, they have given this variable top 100 films, which is this. Okay, and this is something they have uh, used, but we don't want that much. So first let's just reduce this data, and let's keep 3 to 4 records. Okay, simple. Okay, now in that, what we want to show. Okay, so label is something we are showing. Okay, so just update the data, so that maybe label, so label can be different departments. So maybe the department can be finance department. You can just name anything. Okay, or test one, test two, like that. Test one, test two. just three, like this. Here we can remove from here. This is not needed. If you go back and see, we have this data updated. Okay. All right. So this is done, and we can, if I, in case I select anything, it will get selected. If I, in case I'll search for something test 3, so it will get selected. Okay. This autocomplete we have added. Now I know that you must be wondering why it is, it is not aligned or something. So to align anything in material UI, we have one thing which is grid, and that we are going to use. Okay, so there is a next video which is completely depend on grid, where I will show you how to arrange things. Also, grid will help us to create responsive websites. Okay, so next video is all about responsive UI by using material UI grid. All right, thank you so much. This was all about autocomplete. There will be another video after grid, where I will show you like what all things we can use in autocomplete, because there are a lot of things in autocomplete. Okay, so I think second video will be all about that. Next video, let's understand and let's arrange this stuff by using grid. All right, thank you very much.